Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. Dark Amazonite green is a color that speaks in quiet depth rather than loud declaration. It exists at the intersection of nature and mystery, carrying the calm authority of ancient forests and the subtle intrigue of shadowed stone. Unlike brighter greens that demand attention, dark Amazonite green invites contemplation. It is a tone that feels grounded, confident, and timeless, offering an emotional resonance that goes far beyond surface appearance. At first glance, dark Amazonite green reveals a rich, mineral-inspired character. Its roots trace back to the natural gemstone Amazonite, known for its soothing presence and layered hues. This darker interpretation deepens the original tone, introducing shadowy undertones that add weight and sophistication. It is a green that feels mature and composed, balancing coolness with an earthy warmth that prevents it from becoming distant or sterile. Emotionally, dark Amazonite green evokes calm strength. It suggests stability without rigidity and serenity without passivity. There is a quiet assurance embedded in the color, similar to standing in a dense forest where light filters gently through towering trees. It reassures rather than overwhelms, making it ideal for environments and designs meant to inspire focus, reflection, and balance. This color does not rush. It settles in and stays. In design and aesthetics, dark Amazonite green carries remarkable versatility. It functions effortlessly as a dominant tone or a refined accent. When used across large surfaces, it creates an immersive, enveloping experience that feels protective and grounding. As an accent, it adds depth and contrast, elevating surrounding colors with understated elegance. It pairs naturally with neutral tones such as warm grays, soft ivories, and deep charcoals, while also complementing metallics like brushed gold, bronze, and satin chrome. In interior spaces, dark Amazonite green transforms atmosphere. On walls, it creates rooms that feel intentional and composed, encouraging relaxation without dullness. In living areas, it fosters conversation and comfort. In workspaces, it supports concentration and clarity. When used in bedrooms, it promotes rest through its calming presence, while in libraries or studies, it reinforces a sense of intellect and timelessness. The color absorbs light gently, preventing harsh reflections while maintaining visual richness. In fashion, dark Amazonite green conveys confidence and refinement. It avoids trends, instead offering a classic tone that feels enduring. Garments in this color project sophistication without appearing formal or rigid. It works seamlessly across materials, luxurious in velvet, grounded in wool, fluid in silk, and modern in technical fabrics. Whether worn casually or in tailored pieces, dark Amazonite green suggests depth of character and thoughtful self-expression. From a branding perspective, dark Amazonite green communicates trust, intelligence, and authenticity. It is particularly effective for brands that value sustainability, craftsmanship, and long-term vision. Unlike brighter greens associated with youthful energy or environmental urgency, this darker shade implies responsibility and maturity. It suggests that progress is deliberate, informed, and rooted in understanding rather than impulse. Symbolically, green has always represented growth, renewal, and balance. Dark Amazonite green adds another layer to this symbolism by emphasizing wisdom gained through experience. It reflects growth that is steady rather than rapid, renewal that is lasting rather than fleeting. There is a sense of continuity within the color, a reminder that strength often comes from patience and resilience. In the natural world, dark Amazonite green feels familiar. It mirrors moss-covered stone, deep evergreen leaves, and shaded riverbanks. These associations reinforce its grounding qualities, connecting human-made spaces back to organic origins. This connection to nature explains why the color feels inherently comforting. It taps into something instinctual and timeless. In art and visual storytelling, dark Amazonite green serves as a powerful background or narrative anchor. It allows brighter colors to shine while maintaining its own presence. Artists and designers often use it to create mood, depth, and emotional weight without distraction. It is a color that supports storytelling rather than dominating it, allowing meaning to unfold gradually. Psychologically, dark Amazonite green encourages equilibrium. It can reduce visual fatigue and promote mental clarity, making it suitable for environments where calm decision-making is essential. Its darker value grounds the mind, while its green base sustains energy without overstimulation. This balance makes it especially effective in spaces designed for long-term use. Ultimately, dark Amazonite green is a color of quiet confidence. It does not seek validation or attention. Instead, it establishes presence through depth, intention, and authenticity. It feels considered rather than impulsive, rooted rather than restless. Whether used in design, fashion, branding, or personal expression, it communicates a message of strength tempered by calm. Dark Amazonite green reminds us that true impact does not always arrive loudly. Sometimes it arrives softly, settles deeply, and endures. It stands as a visual reminder that depth, balance, and restraint often leave the most lasting impression. In its quiet richness, dark Amazonite green proves that subtlety can be powerful, timeless, and deeply meaningful across every creative expression. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.